I've just spotted a dust bunny. More random tech arrives. So what we've got today, we've got Mike from the Bible Society, and he's brought a carload of stuff for us. So we're just having a dig around to see what we've got. So we've already offloaded some PCs, some Fujitsus, and a big Apple Mac tower. All alloy, looks good, doesn't it? Right, what else we got then, Mike?
We've got more cables than you can shake your stick at.
Let's have a look in the boot. Yeah, more cables. Boxes of cables and stuff. Right, let's get...
And some a digital tape, should you need one.
Oh, right, we'll get this stuff in. Well, we've got 3 trolleys worth of stuff. So let's get down to the workshop. So Mike has been and gone. So I've got my 4 towers there, Fujitsus. I'm going to queue all this stuff ready for our lads to come in. Be plenty busy now. Job number 1, get the hard drives out. That's what we're going to do. So these Fujitsus have got a Intel dual core processors in these, Windows 7 keys. So whether we use them, these boxes as they are or not, we shall certainly use the keys. $500. That's all right. I've just spotted a dust bunny. That's good news. It's got PC3, DDR3 in this, 2 gigs. So there's 2 sticks. We're short of 2 gig sticks of DDR3. Yes, we're stuck on DDR3 at the moment. All is good. Here are the 4 drives from the Fujitsus. And it looks like the 3 drives here are all 320 gig Hitachis. So this 500 gig Western Digital is a drive replacement. That's filled up part of the bottom shelf. Give us some work to do sometime. I've emptied the trolleys. We've got a Netgear 24 port 10100 FSM 7326P. We'll put it on the shelf with the rest of the 24 port switches. We've got some, oh dear, what's this? We've got some HP Ultrium read-write data cartridges. New they are. Super DL tape, 600 gigabytes. Not sure what we'll do with those. eBay? Probably. Right. Jacob got in early today. He couldn't wait to get in the workshop. Why couldn't you wait to get in the workshop today, Jacob?
I saw this wonderful piece of fruit-based product history here. Not sure what's inside. I think it's an Apple Mac G5. It
is a G5. Let's get it on the workbench. Whoa, it's very heavy, Jacob. You need 2 people. Hold on.
Right. Ready?
Linus. We call that a Linus.
I think I got it. I'm not sure. Well done. Well done, Jacob. Yeah, well done.
Just pick that up.
Oh, I don't know. Rushing, you see? That's what you get for rushing. Right, just hold it there a minute. Alright, there's been a bit of an incident. Turn it this way, up, not up that way. On the corner. Casualties of workshop. Anyway, right, so what we got?
Right, we have an Apple Mac G5. I think it's a dual core, which means this has 2 processors, sort of like a server. This window's to help with airflow, so air comes in through these 2 fans into the 2 processors and then out the back for the best thermal efficiency. These were typically run quite hot, so they were sort of like Pentium 4s. This is built modularly, so the fans pop out like that, and they've got a proprietary connector there. Then on the inside we have not 1 row but 2 rows of RAM, and if the sticker is correct we have half a gig inside.
DDR what?
Not sure, let me pull one out. No, it's been upgraded. This is a 2 gig kit of 2, so this is 1 gig, so this has been upgraded.
So it's what, of DDR?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so what I want to do here, Jacob, is get the hard drives out, because I need to wipe them.
Yeah,
That is
2 hard drives.
That is what I want to do.
There are 2 hard drives up here. I think the first one's ready to come out. Let me just... This is why we hate fruit-based products in the workshop. They are not easy to work on.
Now you told me when you came in, I'll have that thing apart in 5 minutes.
Ah!
I think we've reached the 5 minutes.
You said to open it in 5 minutes. I didn't realise there were going to be 2 hard drives inside the machine.
Right,
640 gig Western digital drive.
So one is out.
Built 9th of August 2008.
Oh, well that might be a replacement drive then.
No, that would be a secondary drive.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
The top one is hard drive number 1, always, on Apple products, when they were built properly.
You seem, for a young chap, you seem to know quite a lot about these things, Jacob.
A little too much.
Wasted, what was that, Bernie?
wasted time.
Wasting time?
Wasted time.
Yeah, well.
Time spent, he should have been spent looking for a work placement for the garage. Right, oh yeah, right, the last one's box.
That is so rubbish.
There you go, there's the original drive.
Oh.
This Mac was built in 2005. This is the original drive.
So, it's been built with a, what is it, 250 gig drive?
Yep, from factory.
Western Digital. Right, Jacob's putting the 2 drives into the wiping rig. Thus, first, disk management.
Disk 1 and disk 6.
Yeah, just okay that.
Right.
Make it big? Or, right, is the other drive down the bottom?
No, that's all right.
Okay, so it looks like they've been...
250, the 640 is somewhere else.
Well, it might not recognise them because they're Apple partitions,
Apple
aren't they?
partition.
And Windows probably won't recognise those. Alright, close that window. active kill disk.
Yep.
Select the two drives. Kill. British HMG IS5 enhanced, 3 passes plus a verify. Kill.
Okay.
Right, let that chug away. It'll settle down, tell us how long it'll take. Probably take about 5 or 6 hours to wipe that.
Doing anything.
What are you trying to do, Bernie?
What? Where spanner fingers here, dropped the panel on the floor and dented it. Clean off the edge.
So what you got?
Camel.
Ah,
That somebody nicely kindly donated.
right.
But I think that's a bit fine. So it's
Yeah.
a bit rough on.
Oh, well, it's getting on with it. Oh,
Yeah,
it's-
it's going to
no.
take a while there.
Maybe it needs a bit of a hammer first. Okay, so here we are in the workshop with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of stuff. I think most of this is cable, but we'll have a rummage through, see what we can find. So, D-lid. Ooh! Not quite at all.
Oh, it's Ethernet.
What's this?
That is what is the reader for those,
Right.
and those are brand new.
You saw a few minutes ago that I took those data cartridges out. This is the reader for it. It's a tape backup reader. That'll probably end up in the bin.
What you got there?
I don't know what it is. It's a Sim Local Unify. Connect Global, Pay Local. It's a thing, isn't it? It's a thing. I don't know what it is.
That's it here, I'll take a quick look.
It's a thing.
Oh, it's a 3G hotspot.
Keyboards. Box of keyboards we got there. Let's get that one out of the way, Jacob. Move on. Let's get that out of the way.
Oh, got a USB 3, might be sellable.
We've got a laptop.
Sony Vaio Windows 8 machine.
Open it up, show our viewers.
It's got a Pentium, the screen's a bit wobbly.
The Sony Vaio.
Got
Pentium. What's that?
Toshiba Port Edge, Windows 8.
You alright?
Windows 7 ThinkPad with a Core i3. ThinkPad Edge E320.
Toshiba. Port Edge.
Or Protege or
Oh dear, that's Vista.
Ooh. Baton of Ethernet.
Cables.
You get an
Yeah.
Ethernet cable. You get an Ethernet cable. You.
Everyone's got an Ethernet cables.
Euro plug. Ah! Been meaning to ask if you had any of those.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, fruit-based product.
Bit of apple. Some apple. What's on the end of it?
Don't pull, I'll get the end. Probably the dock thingy.
Oh, I don't know. Right.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cable box.
Cables. Right, let's get that out of the way. Nothing interesting in there. What's the matter?
How's that come apart?
I'll deal with it.
No, well, hang on. Let's just finish what we're doing.
Whoa.
Off to go. I don't know. He's always in a hurry, isn't he?
He gets distracted easy. Oh, I'll do it.
cables, these are power cables, extensions, these are. See that,
Oh, useful.
we've got cables coming out of our ears, more cables,
Slides off the bottom.
more cables, as he quite rightly said, that we can shake a stick at. Shaking, So the total haul from this week is 4 laptops, varying states. Might get one working. I think the rest of it's scrappy. That's a bit knackered, isn't it? Look, that's coming apart, that one. And a, what was it? Apple G5. So some good, some bad, and 4 boxes of cables. So that's another one done. See you next week. Cheerio!